Hi, I'm Likit Shetty and I'm a proud student of NSOM. NSOM is not just a B school, it is where you truly understand how management works in the real world.
It is an AICTE approved autonomous B school with over 16 years of excellence and an alumni network of 700 plus professionals.
What makes learning different here is our curriculum is revised every single year according to the industry needs.
Industry experts regularly conduct seminars and workshops. We learn from people who actually work in the field.
The IT labs are the real advantage, where we work on tools like KKHR, Grey HR, Tally, Salesforce.
It is not just theory. We apply concepts in practical scenarios, analyze data, and make decisions like professionals.
The PGDM offers specialization in marketing, finance, agribusiness management, supply chain management, and business analytics.
Analytics is integrated with every specialization, which makes us adaptable and future ready. With the highest package touching 14 lakhs per annum, our students have been placed in companies like Swiggy, Big Basket, Foxconn, Ninja Cart, and many more.
We also receive structured placements, training, internship, and career mentoring that prepare us for the corporate life.
So when someone asks where I'm building my management career,
I can proudly say that I'm pursuing PGDM at NSOM, where management meets purpose.